Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our first lesson of information technology. In previous lesson, we have learned about generations of a computer, and in this video we will learn about types of computers. Dear students, computers differ in terms of performance, size and cost. Based on these parameters, they are classified into the following types. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are very small in size. They can perform all kind of tasks and are less expensive. Personal computers, PCs and laptops are examples of microcomputers. PCs are mostly used in offices, classrooms and homes. Laptops are small computers that can be carried and used while traveling. Mini computers. Mini computers are more powerful than microcomputers as they have more memory and operate at higher speed. They are generally used in small to medium sized organizations. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are even more powerful than mini computers. They are large in size and quite expensive. They operate at high speed and are used in large organizations. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are the most powerful computers. They are the fastest and the most expensive computers. They are used in areas like weather forecasting and aircraft designing. So dear students, in this video you have learned about types of computers. So watch the video carefully. It will help you to understand the different types of computers.